My name is Matthew and I'll be talking about internal control, including its components and limitations. What is internal control? It is basically the system of policies and procedures used by a company in order to promote efficient and effective operations, reliable financial reporting, and compliance with laws and regulations. Internal control consists of 5 components, which include control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring. Control environment is where members of an organisation conduct their activities and carry out responsibilities. A major factor affecting an organisation's control environment is the overall integrity and ethical values of personnel. Risk assessment includes identifying and analysing the threat of risks which threaten to affect an organisation's objectives and effectively managing these risks. Risks can arise from external sources including new competitors and internal sources such as inadequate workforce training. Once identified, risks can be analysed through estimating its significance, assessing its likelihood to recur again, and considering actions to manage the risk. Control activities are the policies and procedures management establishes to address the risks that might prevent the organisation from achieving its objectives. Control activities usually fall into the following 5 categories: establishing responsibility, which is knowing who is responsible for the performance of a task; maintaining adequate documentation, always producing accounting information that is reliable; segregation of duties, separating duties of a task among multiple employees; physical security, safeguarding a company's assets and records, for example computer passwords; and independent verification, which is reviewing and reconciling information within an organisation. Information and communication requires the need for the open flow of relevant information throughout an organisation in order for employees to complete their responsibilities. Monitoring includes the assessment of the quality of an organisation's internal control. This can be achieved through ongoing activities and a separate evaluation. There are also 2 limitations of internal control, which are the human element and cost-benefit analysis. The human element refers to the fact that internal control does not have the ability to eliminate all errors. Cost-benefit analysis is the cost of implementing a control activity compared to the benefit that the control provides. Thanks for watching the video on internal controls.